Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. After this video, you're going to be running to the store for, can you guess, ginger. Let me know in that comments box right now how many of you have actually bought ginger like this. I'm not talking about the spice stuff that you just sprinkle out of the can, but real ginger live in the produce section. This smells amazing, by the way. Can you smell that? If you're looking for a really clever way to peel these, I can link that video in the description box below. Well, gosh, I don't know what I think smells better, ginger or lemon. The next thing that you'll need is some sort of spray bottle. We'll get to that in just a second. Some sort of glass jar container that can be sealed, and some good old distilled vinegar. You're gonna go ahead and drop this into your jar. You certainly can mince this, but that's not necessary. The important thing is that it is just cut up in small enough pieces in order to fit in your jar. You're gonna take your lemon. This step is not necessary, but I like the combination of them. I have my lemon peels right here. Now you certainly could go ahead and just stick the entire lemon in there. You could squeeze this juice, but I wanna save it for a lemon water for later. Now, how much you use is totally dependent upon you. Next, grab your vinegar and you're gonna go ahead and fill up your jar. Screw your cap on tightly, and then you're gonna let this sit for 2 to 3 weeks, and you're gonna watch what happens. Once you come back in 2 to 3 weeks, this is what you're gonna do. Take a spray bottle and fill half of it with filtered or distilled water if you have it, and then the other half filled with your infused vinegar here with lemon and ginger, and it will smell amazing, and it will have double action cleaning power. The acidity from the vinegar, the acidity from the lemons. If you don't believe me, you can thank good old WebMD. They may help your body fight off chronic diseases like high blood pressure, heart disease, and diseases of the lungs, plus promote healthy aging. Well, I like that. I've also done this with orange peels, and it makes the cleaning experience more fun, especially because it is all natural. So who doesn't love that? All right, give this video a thumbs up. Click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.